All right, so in our last video, we tackled this and we tackled this equation, okay? And what we did was we balanced the chemical equation. We wrote out the chemical equation from the actual words, and we balanced the charges. We're gonna do it again, and we're gonna tackle C this time, okay? So we're gonna write it out, just write out the chemical formula. So zinc metal, we don't have to deal with the states, okay? We don't have to deal with the phases. So zinc metal reacts plus, so plus means it reacts with O2 because it is a diatomic molecule, and it produces, is our produce arrow, it's gonna produce zinc oxide. Okay, so we don't have to put the O there or the subscript there yet at all. So we can't change subscripts. So we are going to do this. Okay, so now we are going to balance. We don't have to do charges here because zinc is by itself. O2 is by itself. We do have to do charges over here, but it's going to equal out because it is just zinc oxide, and zinc is going to have a +2 and then a -2. So now all we got to do is add our coefficients to balance this out. So we have zinc, we have oxygen, and we have 1 zinc, and we have 2 oxygen. We have 1 zinc and 1 oxygen. So let's balance it out. On the right side, we need 2 oxygen. I usually leave oxygen to the end because it's usually by itself, but in this case, our zinc is already balanced. So now we're just going to bounce over here, and we're going to give ourselves 2 oxygen molecules by just adding a 2 there. And that's going to give us 2 oxygen, but it's also going to give us 2 zinc. And at that point, we come back over here to zinc, put a 2 here, put a 1 here, and we're good to go. Let me write that out a little clearer for you. So we have 2 zinc molecule or 2 zinc atoms, and that's going to react with O2, diatomic molecule gas, to produce zinc oxide with a 2 in front of it. So that is our balanced and written out from the names chemical formula. So the coefficient ratio, remember, would be 2 to 1 to 2. Okay? So, yeah, hopefully that helps.